it's Desiree, and I am here with Spellbinders and their Glimmer Kit of the month for October, hopefully giving you some inspiration for when you receive your kit. This kit is called Poinsettia Spray. Now, for those of you that have been here before, you know I am in love with poinsettias. It comes with 3 sentiments as well in a absolutely gorgeous script. I chose to use the Winter Wishes. The foil that I'm using is called Aura. It is a beautiful iridescent gold type of foil, and we're going to get that taken care of. I'm going to create a hinge. I love the hinge. It doesn't slip, doesn't move, and I get better results. I'm going to be creating a 5x7 card. And I have my panel here, and I'm measuring it, so that's why you're hearing all kinds of fun sounds going on here. And this measures 4.5 by 6.5. What's great with the Glimmer system, it's almost a simplistic style card, and actually it is. Now, of course, you have to have a hot foil system, so that doesn't make it so simplistic. But what's great is with an image like this, all you have to do is foil it. And that's exactly what I'm going to do for this card. While my system's heating up, I've put my large plate on there. I put it on the bottom left-hand corner. Once that's heated up, I'm going to pull that, used my hinge system. Please use the magnets for the plates. Do not do what I do, because they are warm and they are, they could hurt if your hands are sensitive. But you can see this beautiful image, and I just have a little bit of ghosting at the top where I have some flecks of foil, and I just use a white eraser. I don't use a sand eraser, and I have perfect results every time. I know I get asked that a lot. I'm going to set up my second image in the upper right-hand corner, again using the Aura. I've created my mats too, so I grabbed an iridescent silver mirror cardstock. I cut out the center because that paper is just very precious to me, so I save every size scrap. And I like to use my double-sided tape. I think I get a better adhesion. I may add some glue to it sometimes as well, because it's a slick surface, and the glue just takes a little bit longer for it to set. I have a light blue mat that's going to go on top of that iridescent mirror cardstock. Now, the mirror cardstock frame measures 5x7. The light blue actually measures 4 3/4 by 6 3/4. So I went down in quarter increments for each of my mats. And you can see we have this beautiful image on the 2 corners, top and bottom. I'm playing now with a band to go across it. Just did not like that. It was just taking away from that beautiful foiling that's going on. So I'm going to die cut. The sentiments come with a die cut, as does the floral image. And I'm going to die cut that. And then I'm going to die cut 2 more so that I can get that chipboard effect for this beautiful sentiment. I used the light blue, the same as my middle mat for my sentiment. And that's just going to sit in the center of these 2 images on an angle. And it simply says Winter Wishes. I'm going to glue those together and get those set into place. I just love this font that they have every once in a while there. And I did use the same foil, the Aura foil, for this. And we're just going to set that. I thought about going straight across, but you guys know me. I like angles. I like wonkiness, but if you like going straight across, it looks just as beautiful. Again, no coloring, just simple foiling for the front of your card, and I think it gives a wonderful, great impact to the card that your recipient would receive. I hope you enjoyed today's project featuring the Spellbinders Glimmer Kit of the Month for October, called Poinsettia Spray. As always, I'll have links down to this club kit along with all of the others to their gallery for even more inspiration, and of course their shop. If you have any questions, make sure you leave those down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Subscribe and like. I'd love for you to be part of my group here. But thank you so much for taking the time to stop by and watching this video. I am truly grateful to each and every one of you. Thank you so much. Enjoy the art that you create. I will always tell you that. So it's just constantly repetitive, but always remember what's still most important for me. Always be creative, guys, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Till then.